DC.
Hey guys, Train Buddies.
Cross-check complete.
We are finally in DC. It's been a long day.
Cross-check is complete.
7 hours at the airport.
Something like that. We had like 4 delays, a change in itinerary, and then another delay. We're finally in DC on the ground. We're getting off the plane here, and then we're gonna take the cool my friend Chris, who we're gonna meet outside the airport. He calls it the moon lander. We're gonna take the cool people mover train inside Dulles International Airport. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
We hope you enjoyed your flight.
Please stand clear at the doors. The train is arriving. Please stand clear at the doors.
Oh.
The train is arriving. Doors here for terminal, baggage, plane, ground transportation, and gate tag, B, E, and C.
Oh, there's multiple tracks.
Yeah, come check it out.
Looks like a real subway.
Clear at the doors. Doors are about to close.
Trying to think.
Yeah.
Please stand clear at the doors. Doors are about to close.
We're gonna go straight, or we're gonna turn. Oh, the headlights just turned on. Did you see that?
Yep.
Please hold on. The train is departing.
Oh, we're going this way.
Please hold on. The train is departing.
We're going straight, right? Not switching. Yep.
Yeah, straight it is.
Concrete tracks. Oh, this is pretty fast. Wow.
Wow, wow.
Ride all the way down the line.
Yeah?
This station serves all.
The other train is on the other side.
This station serves all escapes.
Brief stop at this
Station.
yeah.
Please stand clear at the doors. Doors are about to close.
And then we'll continue forward.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go straight.
Doors are about to close.
Got a red light on the side.
Switch.
Yeah. So I think we're gonna head straight.
Please
Turn
hold
up there
on.
instead.
The train is departing.
Concrete tracks.
Terminal for baggage, plane, ground transportation.
Yeah, it's got some metal rails on it too. Guide rails on the side, or
Yeah.
I'm not 100% sure. Cruising.
Yeah. Slow down for the turn.
This one's a little bit different than the one in
Cincinnati.
yeah.
A lot different. It's a lot more, it's a lot bigger, a lot faster. It's definitely a lot different. And it has switches and stuff.
Switches and signals and alright. This is the main terminal. This is where we're going to get off.
Watch your step into access. Please hold on. We are arriving at the main terminal for baggage,
Yeah. So the what's Chris call it? The moon? The moon land? Moon rover, moon lander? Oh, there it goes right behind us. Pretty cool ride. A lot bigger than the one in Cincinnati for sure. Much faster, much bigger. Cool tunnels. But yeah, I think this is probably it for part 2. We're about to go meet our friends Chris and Amy. And we'll check back in on our next episode. Part 3.
Amtrak ride.
Well, yeah, Amtrak ride.
We might do some.
Unless there's something in between there. There might be 3 parts, there might be 4 parts. We're not sure what. We're rolling with the punches. But we got 2 so far. So Train-cation continues. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.